Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Are you an Android user? And Claude works great for you too. So let's set it up. Whether you're using Claude for writing, studying, or work, Android gives you a smooth experience in 2026 Claude. You don't need advanced settings, just follow these few simple steps. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to open your Chrome or your default browser. And after that, you're going to go to the Claude AI website. Here. And make sure to log in with your accounts. And here you're going to click on start a new chat, and then you can choose the model from here. Choose the model that is convenient for your tasks. You can choose Sonnet for everyday tasks, Haiku for quick answers, and if you want the premium version, you can upgrade your account. And you can also use the text input or file upload here. You can click on the plus button and input and file upload. You can also add Claude to your home screen if you want to download the app. Now the app is here. We're going to go to Google Play Store and then look for the Claude app. Once you find it, you're going to click on install and wait for the installation to be completed. Then you're going to launch your Claude in your application and make sure to log in with your accounts, and you can use the Claude application in your phone without accessing the browser. Now don't block cookies or JavaScript. And also VPNs may cause loading issues, so keep Chrome updated and use the dark mode for long sessions. And that's how you use Claude on Android in 2026. It's simple and powerful. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.